Did you know standard planks only engage about 50% of your core muscles? But with the variations I'm about to show you, you'll be able to target up to 95% of your entire core in a single workout. The last one is an exercise that will have your core working harder than it ever has before. Have you ever wondered why some people have incredible core stability and balance training while others struggle to stand on one foot for more than a few seconds? The side plank will have people noticing that your posture has improved and you're standing taller than you used to. For this variation, your body alignment is key. By positioning yourself on your side, you shift the focus onto your obliques and deep stabilizing muscles. This targeted engagement can lead to significant strength gains and functional movement improvements. But the benefits don't stop there. Side planks also give your shoulder stability a serious workout. As you perform the exercise, your shoulder and arm muscles work overtime to keep your body stable. This means you're not just building core strength, but also improving your overall joint pain relief and injury prevention. To perform this exercise, start by lying on your side with your legs straight and stacked. Place your bottom elbow directly under your shoulder and lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your head to your feet. This body alignment is the key to unlocking the full potential of this exercise. Hold this position while keeping your core tight and your body in a perfect line. Your top hand can rest on your hip or reach toward the ceiling for added stability. While side planks offer incredible benefits, they can be challenging to master. Common mistakes include allowing the hips to sag and rotating the torso forward or backward. To avoid these errors, focus on keeping your body straight from head to toe. Here's a quick tip: if you're new to side planks, start with a modified version. Drop your bottom knee to the ground to reduce the load on your core. As you build strength, gradually progress to the full version. Later in this video, I'll be showing you a plank that will have your entire body working like never before. But first, let's talk about the next exercise that will make you feel like you're defying gravity. Imagine a plank that not only builds core stability, but also improves your range of motion and challenges your balance training. Sound too good to be true? You probably never heard of the plank up-down. One key benefit of plank up-downs is enhanced functional core strength. This is crucial for maintaining proper posture and preventing lower back pain in your daily life. The exercise challenges your body to maintain stability while transitioning between positions, which translates to improved everyday strength in activities like getting up from the floor. To perform a plank up-down, start in a standard forearm plank position. Press up onto your right hand, then your left hand, moving into a high plank position. Lower back down to your right forearm, then your left forearm, returning to the starting position. You can see how this movement engages your core and shoulders while challenging your stability and control. The up and down motion is what sets this variation apart. It increases the activation of your deep core muscles, giving you a more comprehensive workout. As you perform plank up-downs, you're not just building strength, you're also improving your coordination and mental toughness. A mistake that is very common is allowing the hips to rock from side to side, which can reduce the effectiveness of the exercise and potentially strain your lower back. So be mindful throughout the movement that your hips stay level and square. Engaging your core is essential during plank up-downs. Without strong core stability, your body may not maintain proper alignment throughout the movement. As you press up and lower down, consciously tighten your abdominal muscles. This will help you maintain stability and get the most out of the exercise. Let's turn to targeting our entire posterior chain more directly, so that we're prepared for the ultimate plank variation, which is our fifth exercise coming up. This exercise may look a little different, but I promise, after you get done doing it, your entire backside is going to feel amazing. Reverse planks primarily target your glutes, hamstrings, and rear deltoids. Unlike standard planks that focus more on the front of your body, reverse planks shift the emphasis to your backside. This makes them an excellent exercise for improving posture and reducing the effects of prolonged sitting. But the benefits of reverse planks extend beyond just posterior strength. This exercise also improves hip mobility and helps restore movement patterns that get locked up as we age. To perform a reverse plank, sit on the ground with your legs straight out in front of you. Place your hands behind you with fingers pointing toward your feet. Lift your hips up, creating a straight line from your head to your heels. From this reverse position, hold steady while keeping your core engaged and your glutes squeezed tight. Your arms should be straight and your shoulders should stay strong and stable. Focus on creating length through your entire body. The key to mastering reverse planks lies in maintaining proper hip position throughout the hold. Your hips should stay high and your body should form a clear straight line. As you progress with reverse planks, you can increase the challenge by lifting one leg at a time. Reverse planks serve as a foundation for better posture and spinal health. They're often overlooked, but incredibly effective for counteracting the forward head posture and rounded shoulders that come from too much sitting. What if I told you there was a way to work your entire body while challenging your core in a completely new way? Mountain climber planks are designed to increase endurance while building explosive core strength. This dynamic approach promotes cardiovascular fitness, while strengthening your entire midsection, helping you build the kind of everyday energy that makes life easier. To perform a mountain climber plank, start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Bring your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee toward your chest while extending your right leg back. The key to mastering mountain climber planks lies in the speed and control. As you alternate legs, maintain your plank position and keep your core tight. Your movement should be quick but controlled, like you're running in place while holding a plank. Mountain climber planks don't just focus on strength, they also enhance your metabolism boost and cardiovascular health. This improved fitness is crucial for overall wellness and healthy aging. As you perform the exercise, you'll feel your heart rate increase and your entire core working overtime. This combination of strength training and cardio makes mountain climber planks a valuable addition to any routine. Mountain climber planks also offer a unique opportunity to improve your coordination. As you rapidly alternate legs, your body must work to maintain stability while generating power. One of the great aspects of mountain climber planks is their scalability. You can adjust the difficulty by modifying the speed of the movement or the duration of the set. If you've never done this variation before, start slowly and focus on maintaining perfect plank form. You're probably wondering how you can incorporate these exercises into a quick workout plan. Don't worry, I have you covered. But before we go over that, let me show you the ultimate core exercise that I can almost guarantee will challenge every muscle in your midsection. Before I reveal this final exercise, I want to mention something important. These plank variations are incredibly effective, but they work even better when they're part of a complete approach to building a stronger, pain-free body. If you're over 40 and dealing with daily stiffness or want to move with confidence again, I created a comprehensive guide called Reboot Your Body that gives you everything you need to restore movement and build functional strength. You can find the link in the description below. It's the missing piece that takes your core strength to the next level. Have you ever wondered how gymnasts develop their impressive combination of core strength, shoulder stability, and full body control? The answer might lie in a challenging plank variation that engages every single muscle in your body. The hollow body plank is a powerhouse move that combines the stability of a traditional plank with the deep core engagement of a hollow body hold. Hollow body planks improve your ability to maintain spinal alignment under stress and create incredible stability throughout your entire torso. To perform a hollow body plank, start in a forearm plank position. Tilt your pelvis slightly posterior, pulling your belly button toward your spine and creating a slight curve in your lower back. Press your forearms firmly into the ground and imagine you're trying to create space between your shoulder blades. Your body should feel like it's in a slight dish or hollow shape, with your core working intensely to maintain this position. The hollow position in hollow body planks allows for maximum core muscle recruitment and creates a unique stabilization challenge. This makes them more demanding than standard planks and highly effective for developing the kind of core stability that prevents injury and improves performance in all activities. A common mistake is allowing the lower back to arch excessively, which reduces core tension. Now let's put these 5 exercises together into a weekly workout plan that will transform your core strength and stability. Aim for 2 to 4 sets of 30 to 60-second holds per session, depending on your fitness level. If you're just starting out, begin with 2 sets of 15 to 30-second holds. For those more experienced, try 3 to 4 sets of 45 to 60-second holds. Here's a sample weekly plan. Monday side planks, Wednesday plank up-downs and reverse planks, Friday mountain climber planks, and hollow body planks. This structure allows for progressive overload and proper recovery. Remember, your core muscles can handle more frequent training than larger muscle groups, but you still want to allow about 24 to 48 hours between intense sessions. As you get stronger, gradually increase the duration of your holds or the number of sets. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout each exercise rather than just trying to hold longer with poor alignment. The beauty of these plank variations is that they build the kind of functional core strength that makes everything in life easier. Whether you're lifting groceries, playing with grandchildren, or just getting up from a chair, a strong core is the foundation for pain-free movement and independent living. With consistency and patience, you will soon see significant improvements in your posture, balance, and overall core stability. These exercises aren't just about building a stronger midsection, they're about building confidence in your body's ability to move well and stay strong as we age. Start with the variation that feels most manageable for you and gradually work your way up to incorporating all 5 into your routine. Share this video with a friend if you found it to be helpful,